Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of Accounts Standard 11 Part 1. The last video I completed the chapter 9 according to your textbook Part 1, and chapter 9 it was the ledger posting. Now I will start the next chapter, which is called chapter 10 is trial balance. So let you know what is called trial balance and how you will do the trial balance. This is also a practical chapters, a short type of questions you will get from this chapter. So let us follow the page number 249. Trial balance. Actually, the word name itself you can understand what is called trial balance. The word trial means it is not a final. Before doing final, we are going to do one trial. That means beginning I told you so many times. Once again I want to tell you that every one of you know we are going to learn from these account books how to keep the accounts in a systematic manner or a proper method. Generally, we are going to learn from both the books how to keep the accounts in the double entry system. In double entry system, we are going to know how to keep the accounts according to that AICPA, the method, whatever it is given. And if you are not able to keep the accounts in proper way or a systematic manner, then whether your business is getting profit or loss, or how much profit your business is getting or loss, that you will not able to find out. By physically seeing the business, it is not possible to say that business is getting profit or loss, or how much getting profit or loss. Your paper or the accounts will say that how much your business is getting profit or loss, and you will be able to say the business is getting profit or loss only after doing the final account. When you will do the final account, which is there in part 2, in this final account you will be able to find out whether your business is getting profit or loss, or how much your business is getting profit or how much your business is getting loss. Final account, when you will be able to do the final account, that time you will be able to say, or you will be able to find out the profit or loss. So until and unless if you are not doing the final account, you are not able to say your business whether it is getting profit or loss. Now to do the final account, you have to do the first one, the journal entries. Second one, you have to do the ledger posting and balancing. And third one, actually fourth one, is the final account, where you can get the profit or loss. But what is the third step? Actually, from the second step to the fourth step, you can do it, because final account you have to do by taking the balance of the ledger. But whatever you have done in the journal, whatever you have done in the ledger, before doing the final account, one more step it is given, that is called trial balance. Trial balance is telling that before doing the final account, you once trial, make it a trial or check it. This is called checking point. Check it. What you will check? Whatever you have done in the ledger or whatever you have done in the journal, if there is any mistake. So this is a check post. Why? Because if you are doing anything wrong in the journal or if you are doing anything wrong in the ledger, because ledger posting you have done from the journal only. All the journal whatever you have recorded here, that all the journal you posted into the ledger for individual accounts, and the balance you got from the each ledger or each account, from this balance we will make the final account. And without checking, if we do directly to do the final account, if there is a mistake either in the journal or in the ledger, then final account, balance, profit or loss also will be wrong. You might have seen whenever we are giving to the tailor to stitch up your pant and shirt, if it is a costly clothes, then the tailor is telling before doing the final stitching, at least 2 or 3 days before, you come and give me a trial that which way I am doing. If it is anything wrong, still I will get the chance to correct it. Once the final stitching is done, that time it will be very difficult to make it a correct if there is any wrong. Here also same thing. Before doing the final account, they are telling better to check it, whatever you have done in the journal, whether it is everything is correct. Sometimes there may be a mistake. In place of 700, you may write 300. In place of 900, you may write 1200. Like that, mathematical mistakes may come. If such type of mistakes is coming, then you correct there before doing the final account. Either mistakes may come from the journal entries or mistakes may come from the ledger, either in the posting or in the totaling or in the balancing, wherever it is. The balance what you got from the ledger from each account, either you will get the debit balance or you will get the credit balance. From that balance we will do the final account. So now we are in this third stage, that is called trial balance. Journal entries whenever we have done, that time according to your textbook you might have seen that this is 10 chapter is going on. Chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, it was the part of the journal, theoretical part was explained. Chapter 4 onwards practical journal started. Chapter 5, it was I think your accounting equations, that also related with the journal only. Chapter 6, subsidiary books, that also related one type of journal. Chapter 7, that also journal. And chapter 8, I think that was the journal proper, that also journal. So here you will find out according to your textbook from chapter 1 to chapter 8 all are journal only. Here balance ledger posting, that is coming only chapter 9 and this is coming chapter 10. So part 1 you might have seen almost all from chapter 1 to 8 are all different type of journal. Chapter 9 is the ledger posting and chapter 10 is the trial balance. Now what we will do, how we will do the trial balance? By taking the balance from the ledger, that will do the trial balance. So each ledger you got the balance. You might have seen that either it may be a debit balance or it may be the credit balance. But some of the accounts or the ledger you may not get balance where both the sides, debit side as well as the credit sides are equal. There you did not get the balance. That is called square up account. To do the trial balance, such type of accounts we will not take. How we will do the trial balance? To doing the trial balance, it has the two methods. Before that, let me say Just now I told what is called the trial balance. Trial balance is a statement. Trial balance is a statement which shows that debit balance and credit balance disclose in it at mathematical correct. Mathematical correct means suppose if you made the salary account का जगह आपने wages account लिखा, that type of corrections trial balance cannot do. But 500 का जगह 600 लिखा, that type of corrections. So if you have done any arithmetical मतलब figure में mistake किया, that type of mistakes, accounts में mistake किया, that type of mistakes it is not possible to rectify or to find out from the trial balance. But mathematical mistakes if you have done, in place of 4 if you write 5, or in place of 5,000 if you write 4,000, like that mistakes if you have done, it can be find out from the trial balance. If you find out from the trial balance, whenever we are doing the trial balance, that time trial balance will say whether you have done any wrong either in the journal or in the ledger. This trial balance will say there is a mistakes in the upper two sides, before the two sides, and if there is a mistakes, then you correct it, then you come to do the final account. If there is no mistakes, you are not getting any mistakes in the trial balance, then we can do the final account. Understands? Keep it in mind that trial balance is not an account. It is a statement like the balance sheets. So it may have the two sides, but it is not indicating the left hand side is debit side and right hand side is credit side. We can say left hand side or right hand side, or left amount column or right amount column, or debit amount column or credit amount column, but trial balance is not an account. It is a statement like the balance sheets. Trial balance can be done particular any day. It is not for a particular for preparing for a 6 month, year ending for 6 month or 1 month or 1 year. Trial balance can be done a particular day. Further it is given the trial balance is prepared for a respective day. As for example, trial balance of Sri Ramanlal as on 31st 3 2015. Now characteristics of the trial balance, I told it is a statement, specific period, particular day it is prepared for. It may be for the 1 year accounts is kept, but trial balance will be prepared for particular periods only. Mathematical accuracy will be correct. Double entry systems we will find out. Pre-stage of the final account, I told you before doing the final account, this is the pre-stage. जैसे फाइनल टेस्ट का आगे प्री टेस्ट देता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्री टेस्ट स्टेज ऑफ द फाइनल अकाउंट. द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द ट्रायल बैलेंस, द arithmetical accuracy, lectures the locates errors and their rectifications, easy preparations to the final account, and balance of account. This is the overall matter for the theoretical part. Now let me say slowly the practical sides. Trial balance can be prepared in the two methods. MCQ questions may come, how many methods are applied for preparing the trial balance? There the two methods are there. One is telling that by taking the total amount of both the sides of any account, total amount, that is called total method. Total methods means that you might have seen when I taught you the ledger posting, that time when I taught the totaling and balancing, that time each account you made the total of debit sides and total of credit sides, and then you got the difference between these two sides is called balance. So there are the two things are there. One is the total of both the sides, and there is the balance. Balance will not come in the both the sides. Balance will come either in the debit side or it will come in the credit side. But total it may come both the sides. Suppose one side total is 20,000, another side total is 18,000. Or it may be right like that, one side total is 20,000, another side nothing is given, that means 0. So I am telling how many methods are there to prepare the trial balance. There are the two methods are there. One is called total method and is called balance method. So now let us start first from the total method, but total method we will not follow. Most popular method is called balance method. there we will go in details, but as it is given the total methods also, so let me explain few about the total methods. One, ledger posting, just I want to show so that you can identify how you are doing the trial balance in the total method, that is ledger posting chapter. Just 1 minute, let me open it so that I can identify how we will do the total method. Okay, suppose this one, just for example I want to show it here. This is cash account, this is ledger. Total of debit side is 39,000, total of credit side is 8 plus 3 11 plus 5 11 plus 5 16,200. So total of debit side and total of credit side, not balance we did not find out. By taking the total of debit, so I will write cash account debit 39,000 and cash account debit total 39,000, cash account credit total 16,200. Like that, furniture account debit total 7,500, credit is 0, so we will put dash. Total means how much is the total of both the sides. Now this is a format of the trial balance. Trial balance of Sri Raman Lal as on 31st 3 2015. Name of the accounts LF, debit total and credit total. Where you are having debit total, credit you don't have, there you don't write anything, only you put dash. You may have both the two sides totals also, whatever it is. This is illustration 1. Illustration 1 is the taking total. I am not telling once again, the total and balance are not same. The total account of the debit side and credit side from the books of the Sri Dharam as on 31st 3/15 are provided. Prepare the trial balance. What is given? Total is given. Capital debit side total is not there, credit side total is 90,000. Drawings, debit side total is 20, credit side 0. Param's account, debit side 3,000 total, credit side 9,500 total. Some of the accounts you may get both the sides total, some of the accounts you may get only debit side amount, credit side is 0, or credit side amount, debit side is 0. So this is called all the total, how much you have recorded in the debit side or how much you have recorded in the credit sides. Like that, the personal account 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, 2,000, 11, 10,000 and 3,000. This is 9,000, 2,000. Cash account 57, 49,500. Debit side का total 57,000, credit side का total 49,000. Bank account debit 30, credit 800. This is the one example they have taken from the ledger posting, but ledger posting is not done. This is the ledger. After doing the ledger posting, these are the accounts you got, and all this account you got the ledger posting, and you got the total of this all account debit and total of all this all account credit. Now you have to apply to do the trial balance by applying the total method. What you will do? Nothing is there, just only copy the questions. Question को copy कर दिया. Trial balance of Sri Dhaman as on Dharam as on 31st 3/15. Name of the accounts LF. Total of debit and total of credit. Capital debit total 0, credit total 90. Drawings debit total 20, credit total 0. Then Param's account 3,000 and 9,500. See here 3,000 and 9,500. 3,000 and 9,500. 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, 2,000. 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, 2,000. मतलब total of debit you wrote in debit column, total of credit you wrote in credit column, and automatically your both the sides total, both the total debit column and total column will be same. Say 2 lakh, here also 2 lakh. This is called the first method. But first method is having the less importance. We will go to the second method. Second method, they are telling by taking the balance method. This is called the second method. We will take not the total of both the sides, but we will take the balance. But balance you will not get the both the sides. Balance either you will get in the debit side or you will get in the credit sides. How you will know that which account is having balance in which side and how much. That is the question. How you will know which account is having balance in which side and how much. I want to do according to my own method, sweet and shortcut, by my own example, by taking my own example. I want to show you from first to last, matlab step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. This is if I say the step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. The step 4 though we are not doing now. Step 3. The step 3 we will do, we will start from the journal and we will reach to the trial balance. I will take some example, and that business transactions I will take few business transactions, my own example, that I will make into the journal. That journal I will post into the ledger and I will find out the balance, and from that balance I will make the trial balance. Let you know if there is no mistake from journal entries or in the ledger posting or in the balancing, then when you will do the trial balance, you will find out the both the columns, debit column as well as the credit column amount, it will be equal. If there is a mistake, then debit column amount and credit column amount will not be equal. If it is not equal, then you will come to know there is a mistake either in the journal or in the ledger. Once again I want to tell you, when you will do the trial balance, the debit column amount and credit column amount should be equal. If it is equal, then you will come to know that there is no mistake either in the journal or in the ledger. First steps and second steps. If both the columns are not coming equal, that means either debit is more or credit is less, or credit is more or debit is less, then you will find out, or you will come to know there is a mistake either in the journal or in the ledger. Now taking the example, okay, business transactions. Number 1, Mr. X started a business by giving rupees 12,000. Number 2, purchase goods of rupees 7,000 from Mr. X. Number 3, sold goods of rupees 9,000 to Mr. Y. Number 4, paid salary of rupees 1,000. Number 5, rupees 5,000 given to Mr. X. Number 6, received 6,000 from Mr. Y. और एक ले लेता है received commission. Received commissions of rupees 1,200. How many business transactions I wrote? 7. Now what we'll do? All these business transactions of these 7, that I will pass the journal entries, and these journal entries I will post into the ledger, and each ledger I will find out the balance, and from that balance I will do the trial balance. Number 1, journal entries. For the first one, X started a business by giving of rupees 12,000. Here only answer I am writing in the single line, so that the page will not waste and the same page I can find out the trial ledger posting. Mr. X started a business by giving cash of rupees 12,000. So this is cash account debit टू, एक ही लाइन पे लिख रहा है, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू मिस्टर एक्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. हाउ मच? 12,000. You understand? No, I wrote in a same straight line, but when you will do the journal, how to write the journal, every one of you know. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट, उसका नीचे टू कैपिटल. परचेज गुड्स ऑफ रुपीज 7,000 फ्रॉम मिस्टर एक्स. योर जर्नल इज परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू मिस्टर एक्स अकाउंट. ना दिस इज एक्स है ना, तो दिस इज ये ऑल्सो एक्स हो गया. तो आप एक काम करो, ये मिस्टर ए कर दो, तो दिस इज एज कैपिटल. मिस्टर ए स्टार्टेड, यहाँ भी एक्स हो गया था, यहाँ भी एक्स हो गया था. ओके, तो परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू मिस्टर एक्स अकाउंट. सोल्ड गुड्स ऑफ रुपीज 9,000 टू मिस्टर वाई. मिस्टर वाई अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स अकाउंट. हाउ मच? 9,000. पेड सैलरी ऑफ रुपीज 2,000, that is called salary account debit to cash. How much? 1,000. 500 given to Mr. X. Mr. X account debit to cash account. 5,000, not 500. Received 6,000 from Mr. Y. Cash account debit to Mr. Y account 6,000. Received commission of rupees 1,200, that is cash account debit to commission account 1,200. 7 business transactions. I wrote the journal entries in this form. Now these journal entries, how many accounts you got? 7 means 7 into 2, that means 14 accounts you will get. And but out of that 14, something will be common. Let me see how many are there common. Cash account Mr. X capital account 2. Purchase account Mr. X account, this is A's capital. Cash account A's capital account 2. Purchase and Mr. X 4. Mr. Y and sell, that is 6. 6, 6, 6. Salary and cash become common, so 7. 7 X and cash both are common. Then cash and Mr. Y, that also common. 7, 8. Total we are getting 8 new account. Do you understand? Because cash account is became common for these few cases. Mr. X account also common, Mr. Y account also common. So we are getting 8 format where we have to do the 8 journal. Correct? In this page I want to show this 8 ledger. Okay, this is the middle line. And out of this 8, cash account you will keep little pace more. Baki remaining almost all you will get the less one only. So short form we are using it here. This is called a cash account. This is ledger posting. Debit, credit. Cash account, I am keeping little pace more for cash account because So many entries are there in the cash account. Then next account, one by one we will start from here. A's capital account. So Mr. A's capital account, that is debit, credit. A's capital you can keep small space because number of transactions for A's capital is less. Next we are coming purchase account. That also we are having less only, so keep less space. That is over. Next we will get Mr. X account. So here we are writing Mr. X account. Mr. X, you are having 2 or 3 transactions, so we are keeping little space more. Then we are getting Mr. Y account. Here also we are getting little more, so 3 lines are enough for that. Mr. Y account के बाद it will come sales account. Sales account you will get less, so we are keeping pace less. Sales was salary. Salary also we are getting less, so less transactions will come. Then you are getting cash, already common. X also common, cash also common, cash common, Y common, cash common, commissions. Yes. So everywhere I have opened the account. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And everywhere you have to write the debit. There you have to write credit. This is called ledger posting. Actually, once again you follow. I have taken the 7 business transactions. Each business transactions I wrote the journal. 7 into 2 means 14 accounts. For 7 journal you will get the 14 accounts. But out of the 14, 6 accounts are common. So 8 accounts are new. This 8 ledger format we have drawn. One is cash account, A's capital account, purchase account, Mr. X account, Mr. Y account, sales account, salary account and commission account. Now we will do the posting from journal to the ledger, which we have done from the previous chapter. फटाफट पोस्टिंग कर लेते हैं. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू एस कैपिटल, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू एस कैप 12,000 और एस कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट बाई कैश और ₹12,000. The ledger posting I am not going details, already I told you previous videos. Next is purchase account debit to X account. Purchase account debit to X account, how much? 7,000. Purchase account debit to X account 7,000 and X account credit by purchase. How much? 7,000. Second is over. Third, Y account debit to sales 9,000. Y account debit to sales 9,000. Sales account credit by Y 9,000. Third is over. Fourth, salary account debit to cash. Salary account debit to cash. How much? 1,000. कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट यहाँ आ गया. कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट बाय सैलरी अकाउंट 1,000. देखा. The fourth one, salary account debit to cash, cash account credit by salary. Now fifth one, X account debit to cash 5,000. X account debit already यहाँ posting हो गया. X account debit to cash, how much? 5,000. Cash account credit by X. X account debit to cash, cash account credit by X. Next, cash account debit to Y, 6,000. Cash account debit to Y. And Y account credit by cash. Next is 7. Cash account debit to commission, 1,200. Commission account credit by cash. Bus, posting is over. How many you have done the posting, you know? 14. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. हो गया. Now what we'll do? We will do the total. What is called ledger posting is over. Now we will do the totaling and balancing. This side total 12, 18, 19,200, 19,200. Date I have not written. Date you will write. By balance CD 200, 19,000 मतलब this is 6,000, तो 6 निकल जाएगा तो 13,200 आई थिंक सो. 13, 5, 18, 19, हाँ 13,200. 13, 5, 18 का 19,200. सो दिस इज टू बैलेंस BD. Page is not there. 13,200. This is your answer of cash account debit balance. Now S capital, this side total is 12,000. So here 12,000, nothing is there. So CD मतलब to balance, that I have not written details, that you understand. So this is will come by balance BD 12,000. Second answer. Purchase 7,000 is the total. Here also 7,000. CD is 7,000 and BD is 7,000. Debit sides. Mr. X 5,000, 7,000. तो 7,000 यहाँ पहले ऐड करो, वो 7,000 पहले यहाँ लिखो. 2,000 बैलेंस, that is CD, or BD is coming this side. How much? 2,000. Cash 6 and 9. This is 9. This is 9. This is 6 मतलब 3. 3 means CD. So BD will come 3. Next, sales. Sales, how much you are getting? 9. This is 9. So CD is 9. BD is 9. This is another answer. Salary 1,000. Write 1,000. CD you write 1,000 and BD 1,000 debit. Commissions 1,200 credit, total 1,200. CD is 1,200 and BD is 1,200. Each ledger I made a circle, that is the answer. Cash book debit balance, we will take BD balance, debit not, we will take BD balance. Cash book debit side BD, how much is? 13,200. Mr. A BD credit side 12,000. Purchase BD debit side 7,000. Mr. X BD credit side 2,000. Mr. Y BD debit side 3,000. Sales BD credit side 9,000. Salary BD debit side 1,000 and commissions BD credit side 1000. Now we will do the trial balance. Trial balance I am doing in this page. Actually it should come next page, but so many time we have to turn the page. For that, here I am doing the trial balance. This is the format of the trial balance. 1 2 3 4 5 6 page is little less, no problem. Here I am writing the account. This is debit, this is credit, this is LF, this is particulars, and this is serial number. Okay, we'll write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 accounts are there. So 8 account we'll write it here. First, cash account. We'll write cash account. Which side BD, that column will write the amount. Cash account BD debit sides 13,200. So 13,200 we will write it here. Here we will write dash. Cash account BD debit side amount balance. Mr. A account BD credit side 12,000. So we will write it here. Mr. A account क्रेडिट कॉलम में 12,000. परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट 7,200. परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट 7,000, not 200, only 7,000. This Mr. X account क्रेडिट 2,000. X account क्रेडिट 2,000. Y अकाउंट डेबिट 3,000. Y अकाउंट डेबिट 3,000. This is cash account. This is Mr. A account. This is purchase account. This is X account. This is Y account. Pace is little less, so Y के बाद sales, salary, commissions. Sales account, salary account, commission account. Here sales, this is salary, and this is commission. Sales is credit 9,000. Sales is credit 9,000. Then salary debit 1,000 and commission credit 1,200. Now your answer is wrong or it is correct, you can identify. What we'll do? We will add both the sides. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 3, 23 plus 1, 24,200. This is 12, 14, 14 plus 15, 15 plus 9, 24. See, this is the trial balance. Next page I will go in details. Business transactions, journal, ledger posting, balancing and trial balance. Cash account debit balance BD we got 13,200, we wrote debit. Mr. A account credit, purchase account debit, Mr. X account credit, Y account debit, sales account credit, salary account debit and commission account credit. And we added it and we got the total of both the columns 24,200. This is called the trial balance and both the columns we got. That means there is no mistakes. Like that, next I will take the example from your book illustration as well as the exercise. So this is one primary steps I have shown. Next time I will not show from the top to bottom all, from journal to trial balance, not all. Only balance will be given in the question, from that directly we will do the trial balance. Hope you are understanding. If you have any doubt, you can tell me. Okay, bye, all the best.